Electric vehicles are changing the motoring landscape for the better. We offer a full supply and install service for 100% New Zealand compliant EV chargers. Our high quality charging units are efficient, fast, and most importantly, the safest solution for charging your EV. As professional and certified electricians, our solutions meet all electrical regulations and give you peace of mind that your EV is being charged safely. Whether it be a new build or an existing home, we can install the right solution for you. East Coast Connections, your trusted electricians, providing the best EV charging solutions in Christchurch.